Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a quick video explaining why it is not necessary to manipulate the turbo actuator. Let's see. Here the owner of this vehicle has seen between tutorials and some video on the internet that by manipulating the actuator it is possible to achieve that the vehicle has more power, that is, more turbo pressure translates into more power in the engine, and what has been achieved has been to burst the turbo, that the vehicle enters into self-combustion, has managed to stop it, has achieved drown the vehicle and has saved the engine. Hopefully in the long run it will not have a problem, but hey, look, the turbo actuator. Here you have, this is the turbo actuator rod and these are the nuts. They move and they used precisely to regulate the actuator, okay, because this turbo is a variable geometry turbo. And I have already said this has to be done by a professional, even those with fixed geometry should also be done by a professional. Look, this is the actuator and there is the rod and these are the nuts. That this, as I say, is done by a professional. In fact, the marks that they put precisely so that they do not move due to vibrations and to mark what is not necessary. Touch. Look, the turbine should be here and as you can see there is nothing or it is burst. The oil that has come out towards the intake, which has been what has caused the vehicle to enter into self-combustion. I already say thank you, God has already been able to drown him, and here should be the compressor propeller, and as you can see it is not there either. One has burst and then the other. Okay, he has been lucky as I say that it has only been the turbo. It has been a somewhat expensive breakdown. But if the engine had burst, damage would have been much more expensive. Well, there you have the video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.